Breaking. Judge hands off Nnamdi Kanu's trial over Uproar in court. No confidence allegation. Is this not another way of extending the stay of Nnamdi Kanu in detention? Well, Justice Binta Nyako of the Federal High Court in Abuja has excused herself from the trial of the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the terrorism charges brought against him by the federal government. It is reported that the judge opted out of the trial following the outburst of Kanu that he had no confidence and trust in the judge. In the middle of the proceedings, Kanu had jumped up from the dock and ordered his lawyer, Aloy Ejimakor, to sit down for him to address the court. In the uproar that ensued, Kanu took over the proceedings, announced that he no longer had confidence in Justice Binta Nyako, and demanded that she rescued as himself immediately. Although the federal government lawyer Adegboyega Awomolo, senior advocate of Nigeria, objected to Kanu's request, the judge insisted on recusing herself. Awomolo had argued that the order to open the trial was in line with the Supreme Court judgment. Justice Binta Nyako said she would prefer another judge to handle the trial. Well, there are things that are happening that we don't know about. But is it not better for Kanu to allow the judge to continue with the case instead of him asking for her to excuse? Well, we don't know what he has seen. Maybe you see a lot of delay in the way she's acting, or maybe you feel otherwise that he's not getting what he deserves even in the court. The judge subsequently recused herself and ordered that the case file be returned to the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, John Toho, for the assignment to another judge. This may delay and prolong this matter. Meanwhile, Kanu has been returned to the DSS custody. Is it the way to go? Is there things that Kanu is seeing that we out there are not seeing? What could be his reason? Because there's no tangible thing that was mentioned other than saying he does not have confidence in the judge. Why? Well, let's hear the reaction of the people. What are Nigerians saying before you make your own comment? Until the day we all realized that we are one, that is the day we can conquer evil. Black men are all one, especially those in the West African. I'm a Yoruba man and Kanu is my brother. I know that I fight for liberation of the black race. I'm still waiting for the government to prove Kanu wrong for fighting for the freedom of his own people from the bondage of colonialism and our own leaders that have been used to put us into this poverty and test of time. My people think, now what is this man offense, if I may ask? Another said, they don't know. Gra know the sub-issue. This case is like a functional car seatbelt. Anyway, I'm enjoying this. The guy needs a total brain evaluation. He should think before acting. The judge was biased when they turned the DSS to a prison yard. Boko Haram terrorists are given fair hearing, and this one is not. Sunday Igboho is working freely. Why is this one not working freely? Injustice is what Nigeria is suffering till date. All of them that call themselves federal government and detain Nnamdi Kanu, God will detain all of you. Start afresh, not one, before you spend 20 years in custody your body will calm down. Are you enjoying what is happening in Nigeria? All the guy is doing is fighting for his people. Kanu is far better than you. Nothing will happen to him. The guy will just waste his time in custody. Now he will be in custody till another judge takes over the case. And it will take time for the new judge to study the case. And who knows how many months that will take. Kanu should stop this gra-gra to make him to go nowhere unless he take it easy and let those who are pleading for him to do the work. Or else he will stay long in cell. Nnamdi Kanu is a great man. He can defend himself anywhere at any time without his lawyers. These are reactions and more are coming on Nnamdi Kanu and Nigerian policy. He will surely come out just as a matter of time to contest and become a good leader. Don't be biased with your comments. Tell this guy to calm down for God to help those, because God help those who humble themselves. Why does he want to start all over again? Is that the best for him? This is not a good news for Kanu at all. He should have allowed results to continue. At least people out there are pleading on his behalf. Well, what is your own comment on this? Kanu has said he does not believe or trust in Justice Nyako. Kindly make your comment known as you like, share, and subscribe.